Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 23L swingback. Guys, this is a beautiful boat. It's got the black paneling, as you can see. Also has the blackout package with the black rub rail that goes around the whole boat. Up front you'll see docking lights and nav lights. We'll board here on the bow. It's got the platinum upholstery. It's got the diamond pressed inlays. Plenty of cup holders, plenty of storage underneath all these seats. Beautiful boat, guys. It does have the raised helm. Looking at the helm, you'll see it has a Rockford Fosgate stereo, Simrad 7-inch screen, displays all your performance specs, depth, mapping, time of day, water temperature. And this boat is powered with a Mercury 200 and it has a ski tow bar. Guys, we've got a ton of boats in stock right now. Please stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. We have a showroom full. Thank you and have a great day.